Hook. Are you one of the many investors still chasing the overhyped markets of North America and Europe, only to find yourself stuck in a sea of mediocre returns? Everyone is obsessed with the S&P 500, the Dow, and the FTSE, but while they do that, smart money is quietly moving to investing in Peru 2026, the hidden gem of South America. Here's why that matters for your portfolio. The truth is, Peru's economy is growing at a rate of 4.2%, with a GDP of $223 billion, and that's not just a number, it's a sign of a country on the move. But what's really interesting is that while the US, UK, and France are struggling with inflation rates of 3.1%, 3.4%, and 2.8% respectively, Peru is keeping its inflation rate at a remarkably low 2.5%. That's a significant difference, and one that could make all the difference in your investment returns. Stay until minute 8, what I reveal there completely changed how I think about investing here. Intro. Welcome back to LatAm Money Secrets, the show where we uncover the hidden gems of Latin America and reveal the investment opportunities that could change your financial future. Imagine you invested $50,000 in Lima real estate in 2019, when the price per square meter was around $1,000. Today, that same property would be worth around $60,000, with the price per square meter now at $1,200. That's not luck, that's the power of emerging markets. In this episode, you'll learn 3 key things: how Peru's unique economic situation is creating a perfect storm of investment opportunities, how to navigate the local real estate market for maximum returns, and which sectors are poised for explosive growth in the coming years. From mining to tourism, we'll dive into the top opportunities and show you how to get ahead of the curve. Section 1. When it comes to investing in Peru, most people get caught up in the headlines and don't look at the real picture. They see the GDP growth rate of 4.2% and think it's just another emerging market story. But the truth is, this growth is backed by a solid foundation of economic stability. The inflation rate of 2.5% is not just a number, it means that the value of your money is being protected, and that's a big deal for investors. When I looked at the data, one number stopped me cold: the average rental yield in Peru is 5.5%. That's significantly higher than what you'd find in most developed markets, and it's a clear indication that the real estate market is ripe for investment. But here's the thing, most people miss the fact that Peru's economy is not just growing, it's also becoming more diversified. The country is investing heavily in infrastructure, and that's creating new opportunities for investors. For example, the government's plan to invest $1.5 billion in infrastructure projects is expected to boost economic growth and create new jobs. And with a credit rating of BBB+ from S&P and Ba1 from Moody's, Peru is showing the world that it's a stable and reliable investment destination. But what does this mean for you, the investor? It means that you have a unique opportunity to get in on the ground floor of a growing economy, with a stable currency and a government that's committed to supporting business and investment. The currency stability is also a major plus, with a depreciation of only 2.1% against the USD. And with the central bank maintaining a stable interest rate of 4.5%, the economy is well positioned for continued growth. When you contrast Peru's inflation rate with that of the US, UK, and France, you start to see just how attractive it is. In the US, inflation is eroding the value of your money at a rate of 3.1% per year. In the UK, it's even worse, at 3.4%. And in France, it's 2.8%. But in Peru, your money is being protected, and that's a significant advantage. And with the stock market showing a year-to-date return of 8.2%, it's clear that investors are taking notice of Peru's potential. Section 2. While US investors fight over S&P 500 scraps, smart money is flowing into Peru's emerging market. And it's not just the real estate market that's attractive, there are also some incredible opportunities in other sectors. For example, the mining sector is expected to return 12% on investment, driven by the country's rich mineral resources and favorable business environment. Tourism infrastructure development is another area with huge potential, with returns of up to 10% expected. And renewable energy projects are also taking off, with returns of 9% predicted. But here's the thing, these opportunities aren't just theoretical, they're real, and they're available to investors right now. In Miami, a high-end property might cost $800,000, with a rental yield of around 3%. But in Lima, a similar property can be had for around $180,000, with a rental yield of 5.5%. That's triple the yield, for less than a quarter of the price. And it's not just the prices that are attractive, the quality of the properties is also world-class. You can get a luxury apartment in a prime location, with all the amenities you need, for a fraction of the cost of a similar property in the US or Europe. Section 3. Imagine this, you're John, a savvy investor from the US, looking to diversify your portfolio and tap into the thriving Latin American market. You've set your sights on Peru, and for good reason. With a GDP growth rate of 4.2% and inflation rates lower than those in the US, UK, and France, Peru is an attractive destination for real estate investment. Let's dive into the numbers. John starts by researching the top cities for real estate investment in Peru. He discovers that Lima, the capital city, offers a prime location with prices starting at $1,200 per square meter. However, he's also interested in exploring other cities that offer better value for money. Arequipa, with its stunning natural scenery and growing tourism industry, catches his attention, with prices at $900 per square meter. Trujillo, a city steeped in history and culture, is another contender, with prices as low as $800 per square meter. To put these prices into perspective, John compares them to the US, UK, and Australian markets. He finds that similar properties in major cities like New York, London, or Sydney would cost at least 3 to 4 times more. For instance, a one-bedroom apartment in Manhattan might set him back $1.5 million, while a similar property in Lima's trendy Miraflores district would cost around $200,000. The math is compelling, and John starts to see the potential for significant rental yields and long-term appreciation. John decides to focus on Lima's Barranco neighborhood, known for its vibrant nightlife, trendy restaurants, and stunning ocean views. He finds a 2-bedroom apartment with a total area of 100 square meters, priced at $120,000. With an average rental yield of 5.5%, he can expect to earn around $550 per month in rental income. That's a significant return on investment, especially considering the relatively low entry point. As John delves deeper into the Peruvian real estate market, he discovers that the process of buying and owning property as a foreigner is relatively straightforward. He can purchase property directly, or through a local company, and even obtain a mortgage from a Peruvian bank. With the help of a reputable real estate agent and lawyer, John navigates the process with ease, and soon finds himself the proud owner of a beautiful apartment in Barranco. Section 4. Now, let's talk about investing in Peruvian stocks and alternative assets. With a sovereign credit rating of BBB+ from S&P and Ba1 from Moody's, Peru offers a relatively stable and secure environment for foreign investors. The stock market has performed well, with a year-to-date return of 8.2%. John explores the various stock ETFs available, such as the iShares MSCI Peru ETF, EPU, which tracks the performance of the Peruvian stock market. As a foreign investor, John can easily invest in Peruvian stocks and ETFs from his standard US brokerage account. He discovers that many online brokerages, such as Fidelity or Charles Schwab, offer access to international markets, including Peru. With a few clicks, he can buy and sell Peruvian stocks, taking advantage of the country's growing economy and diverse industries. In addition to stocks, John also explores alternative investment opportunities, such as private equity or real estate investment trusts, REITs. He finds that Peru offers a range of alternative assets, including investments in the mining sector, tourism infrastructure, and renewable energy projects. With returns ranging from 9 to 12%, these alternatives offer a compelling option for investors looking to diversify their portfolios and tap into Peru's growth potential. Section 5. As with any investment, there are risks associated with investing in Peru. John is aware of the potential downsides and takes steps to mitigate them. One of the main risks is currency stability, with the Peruvian sol experiencing a depreciation of 2.1% against the US dollar. To manage this risk, John considers hedging his investments or using currency forward contracts to lock in exchange rates. Another risk is the political landscape, with Peru's government facing challenges in implementing economic reforms. John stays informed about local politics and adjusts his investment strategy accordingly. He also considers investing in sectors that are less dependent on government policies, such as the tourism industry or renewable energy projects. Finally, there are legal risks associated with investing in Peru, such as changes to regulations or property laws. John works with a reputable lawyer and real estate agent to ensure that he is compliant with all local regulations and laws. He also considers investing in established companies or funds that have a strong track record of navigating the local regulatory environment. This is educational content, not financial advice. It's essential to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Conclusion. In conclusion, Peru offers a compelling investment opportunity for those looking to tap into the growing Latin American market. With its stable economy, diverse industries, and attractive valuations, Peru is an excellent choice for investors seeking to diversify their portfolios. Here are 3 punchy takeaways. 1. Peru's real estate market offers significant potential for rental yields and long-term appreciation, with prices starting at $800 per square meter in cities like Trujillo. 2. The Peruvian stock market has performed well, with a year-to-date return of 8.2%, and offers a range of investment opportunities, including alternative assets like private equity and REITs. 3. While there are risks associated with investing in Peru, such as currency stability and political uncertainty, these can be mitigated with careful planning, research, and professional advice. To learn more about investing in Peru and other Latin American countries, download our free guide at latam-money-secrets.behi4.com. Next week, we'll be exploring the exciting investment opportunities in Colombia, a country that's rapidly becoming a hub for foreign